This came out 2020, right? So it's 6 years old now, it's 2026. The one feature that I really haven't tested or practiced is the home features. It's the home. You know, like the drone will automatically land itself when you press home. Personally, I prefer to do it manually. Like land it close to the ground and then press land. Then it will land itself. Because home, it's a little bit scarier for me because you have to clear the area before you press the home and then the drone will automatically land itself. It's convenient, but for some reason, I don't use it often as much as I would love to do. So this video I created 3 years ago, a year after I purchased this. I'm practicing the home feature. Now let's go and watch this. It's
First off,
30.
First off, can't go. Say cheese. Say hi. First off,
30 a.m.
First off, say cheese.
Already. Car just got in service. Big boy just got in service. So it says, they say that it's gonna take about 2 to 2.5 hours, give or take. So man, you can't wait to the service center for 2 hours. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to find a place, and we're gonna practice some drone shots. Okay. that should be enough to kill the 2 hours waiting time. Okay, let's go. Hear that beeping sound? I'm trying to test the feature of, it says here return to home, the RTH, and see how it works. It's slowly beeping. Slowly beeping, I mean. So I wonder if it's actually gonna return to the home, to the point where you, because there's a preset, or there's a landing area where you set it as a home, and then I wonder if it actually gonna return that one, and then if it did, it actually really smart right now, and it is. Oh, you gotta pause. Okay, we paused it because I gotta pause it because it's already on top of my head. Okay, so it's already there. Just want to make sure it's clear with the object, so you don't want to ruin your drone. So we're gonna try it again. So I guess it's closed. That's why it says land now. Not sure if you're seeing it right there. So the return to home, it's gone because it's already within close proximity of the land. So all you have to do is press and hold that until you see this ring circle, and then it lands. Or you can control it. One sec, there's a car. You don't wanna you don't want your drone to get run over by a car. Not a pleasant feeling, I tell you, really. And voila. Right there, bud. It's right there. It's pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Well, I set it like 3 feet away, but within that proximity, the return to home features is actually really good. So, you know, if you're kind of lost up there and you just want your drone back, just press that RTH. Really good.
I think that should be enough. I've been walking around for about an hour, flying this thing for about, I would say, close to 1 hour. So that's 2 hours. Then I just have another 30 minutes to go back to the service center. And that truck is so loud behind me. I have to yell so that the microphone can record the audio. The audio, the audio. So that's it, everyone. Just test out the drone a little bit. You know, I'm not a professional when it comes to flying drone. I've been only flying drone for about a year. So, and this is like the new DJI Mini 2 that I have, right? Because the previous one that I have, if you watch my video, it's more of a practicing your flight, but this one is actually practicing your photography, videography, your skills at drone, pretty much everything. So I forgot to turn it off. Just turn it off. Okay, so it's off. So I hope you'll learn something from this video. RTH is actually really useful tools to have when you're flying a drone. So if you are going to the drone industry or like trying to learn how to fly a drone, actually I think I would suggest, like I said before on my previous video, you choose DJI. This is not a sponsored video. This is just based on my experience. And that way, if you don't want to mess up a lot, right? If you don't want to waste money, just buy the Mini 2, which is under 249 grams, or the SE, Mini SE. So the Mini 2 or the SE are the best drone out there for beginner or intermediate or advanced. So that's based on my experience and that's my opinion. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm just trying to stay on the shade. I don't want to get sunburned. I'm just kidding. See you guys. Stay awesome. Bye. To get tan skin, bro. Like you're a Filipino, you should have a tan skin. I know, but you know, you're in Canada, you're not supposed to get tan. But